Why does Pycharm's inspector complain about D equals? When initializing a dictionary with D equals, Pycharm's code inspector generates a warning, saying, "This dictionary creation could be rewritten as a dictionary literal." If I rewrite it D equals dict, the warning goes away. Since already is a dictionary literal, I'm pretty sure the message is erroneous. Furthermore, it seems like both D equals and D equals dict are valid in Pythonic. This related question seems to conclude that the choice is just a matter of style/preference. Differences between D equals dict and D equals. Why would Pycharm complain about D equals? Update. Mac nailed it. The warning actually applied to multiple lines, not just the one that was flagged. Pycharm seems to look for a sequence of consecutive statements where you initialize a dictionary and then set values in the dictionary. For example, this will trigger the warning. But this code will not.
What is the code following your dictionary declaration? I think Pycharm will trigger the error if you have something like, as you could have written. Note, the fact that the error goes away if you use the function dict. This doesn't necessarily mean that Pycharm believes dict is a literal. It could just mean that it doesn't complain about it.
For those who like, just like me, to initialize dictionaries with single operation, instead of many lines like, in the end, I ended up with this. Pycharm is not complaining on this.
This can be disabled in the project settings or default settings. Navigate to Settings-Inspections-Python. Uncheck Dictionary creation could be rewritten by dictionary literal.
The dictionary could have been created directly without initializing them first and then reassigning new values.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.